All right, hello traders out there. Whoa, let's get this centered. Hello traders out there in Traderland. This is D7 here at Grok Trade Weekend Edition video, and we will be talking about stocks for the remainder of this video, so hang with me. So anyway, the markets end on a big note, man. The Dow closes above 28,000. The markets close out the week very, very, very strong. Doing great. Everybody up, up, up. Fantastic. A little laggy on the financials. We're negative on the US dollar. Crude oil up 1.4. Silver down, gold down, VIX is down. We're at 12.1. There's no fear in the markets. Bitcoin at 8,400, just under 8,500. And here we are taking a look at the markets. Guys, all-time record highs. Boom, boom, boom. Last video, which I apologize, I didn't do a video last week. I am so sorry. Matter of fact, I'm going to try to do multiple videos throughout the week. That is my goal, especially going into 2020, more content. Anyway, here's what's going on. All-time record highs in the markets. The S&P closed at the day's high. You can see this right here. Or is this? Oh, that's the Dow. Dow. Man, I start on the S&P. I always go to the S&P. We do have a big trend line that we're going to be dealing with here on the spiders. The S&P 500. Closing near the high. Big trend line. We've got to be paying attention to that. You can see where that line and how that line was drawn there. The diamonds up, up, up. Again, closing at the day's high over 28,000. Qs closing at the day's high. Let me blow this up so we can see this, guys, so we can see it. We had this base, pop, boom. Volumes okay, not huge volume, but it is a Friday. We don't expect huge volume. Check this out. This is the financials, or I'm sorry, the Russell's 2000. These are the smaller cap companies. This has been a little laggy compared to the other indices, but it's building a beautiful little bull pennant, almost like a bull flag. So look for upside potential on small caps. The financials, same thing, a little bull flag. The thing I want to show you on the financials, this is the ETFs, XLF. Look how they're all white candlesticks, even going down. Do you see this? So anytime that we gap down, buyers kept bringing it back up. We'd gap down, buyers would bring it back up. Gap down, buyers would bring it back up. That shows strength. Anytime when you're going up, you expect to see white or green candlesticks. Going down, you expect to see red, right, or black candlesticks. We're not seeing that. We're seeing white or green candlesticks coming down. And this thing could be ready to rock and roll. Look for upside potential there. US dollar is dropping. We drop. We busted this trend line. We go down. We break this trend line. We go down. This trend line now is acting as resistance. We come down, resistance, and now we're dropping. US dollar is dropping. That should help out commodities. That should help out stocks. Crude oil is starting to go higher, higher, higher. It is, but we got big time. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see some. We're in consolidation. We're going sideways, but we're in these two perfect symmetrical triangles. We're near resistance. Let's see if we can stay above the moving average on crude oil. The SLV, this is silver, big bullish pennant flag. It's kind of a flag and a pennant at the same time. It's a flag because of the formation, but because of the condensing of the trend lines, it gives us that pennant formation. So this could be, look for gold and silver to go higher. Gold, this is traditional flag, looking really good, guys. Looking good. I think gold and silver are setting up perfectly. VIX is down, low. There's no fear go into the markets. Bitcoin is sitting around right now. It's at all you Grok graduates 301 and definitely your 401, guys. Look where we close on the Fibonacci, guys, on this. Okay, so a number of things are happening here. We do have lower swing highs. lower swing lows. We do have a rally capitulation type setup with a pullback, a staggered pullback to the downside with a symmetrical coming into apex. I know I'm talking Greek to a lot of you guys. It's okay. It will come. We're here to educate you. But for you Grok graduates, holy smokes, that is interesting to me on Bitcoin. And I do hold Bitcoin, so full disclosure, I do hold Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, it looks like I'm going to be buying more. Let's get into some stocks of interest. Stocks of interest. I'm going to go to tech stocks first, and we're going to start with Apple. Before I do, at the end of the video, I'm going to offer you something. I'll just tell you what it is. I'm going to be giving you, or some of you, not all of you. I'll be giving some of you, a lot of you actually, 1 full year, 52 weeks, 365 days of our red hot stock picks for a full year. Each week, you're going to get our stock picks free of charge. Free of charge. We'll talk about that at the end. I have to tell you this though. It's not one stock pick list. It's two. We do a bull list and a bear list. So I think we're the only place out there in the world that does a bull list and a bear list. They're picked fundamentally. We look at the numbers of the business. We look for strong companies for the bull list, very weak fundamental stocks for the bear list, and then we analyze them technically for longs and for shorts. So we look at long and shorts, bull and bear, fundamentally strong and fundamentally weak. We do it all, 2 lists each week. They are the best of the best. Okay, Apple is up, and away. If it stays above these moving averages, you just got to stay with it. AMD is up. It's looking pretty good. I expect a pullback fairly soon. Amazon, we're getting a nasty little pullback. Let me look here. It's just a nasty, for the markets to be this strong, it's relatively weak. I'm not liking that. Baba is hanging in there. Look for upside potential on Baba. Baidu, that's really interesting. Guys, Baidu was a great bull pullback with a lot, and you mentor students out there, look at the reward to risk ratio on this one, guys. A lot of it. But today, we started to go higher and we retraced. That was a failed pivot candle right there. I'm not liking that. Outside of that, it looks beautiful. Baidu does. Booking is just had earnings and it's just crashing and burning. Cisco was down 7% yesterday. This is Friday. I'm doing this Friday evening, and it's not good. Catfish is up and away. Look for more upside there. I call it catfish. It's cognizant. Okay, I know. You don't have to correct me in I get it. I call it catfish because it looks like it. CTSH, and I like catfish. I'm half Cajun, man. We just eat a lot of catfish. We like that. eBay, stay away from it. Facebook, it's okay, but caught up in moving at symmetrical triangle. Google's on fire. It's red hot. Red hot. It's looking good. Maybe GoPro, maybe it's over a trend line. Let's see what happens with that one. Microsoft is up and away, looking good. It moves too slow for me. I'm not interested in it. MU. Symmetrical triangle, wait for a breakout. Netflix is trying to do something. Not overly excited with it. It had a nasty, I think that was a 3% drop the other day. Nvidia, stay away from that. Oracle, maybe, but it moves too slowly, too big of a company. PayPal, stay away. Shopify, maybe going into the future. Snapchat, no way, stay away, not good. Tesla, I just watched a movie today. What is that? The Current War? Or, what is the name of that movie that I just watched? It's called The Current War. That's what it's called. The Current War. It took me that long to find it. The Current War. It's a great movie. But Tesla is looking good. Twitter, Stay away from it. Monologue, man. I'm all over the place here on Friday night because I'm trying to go out with my family tonight. I'm trying to have a date night with my family, and there's some schooling they got to get caught up. My girls got to get caught up with, and then we're gonna go maybe bowling or something. It's something fun, right? So let's see if we can do that. I'm trying to get this cranked out before. All right, man. So let's get to it. Good night. I'm all over the place. So this is what we're doing. Let me go to the website and show you. If you go to Grok Trade, okay, this is groktrade.com. You can see it above me right now. If you go here and you're going to scroll down to Trading Mentors, okay, click on Trading Mentors. When you do, you're going to see this new section up here, okay? Here's the small print. I'm going to give you a full year. Now you can buy it right now for $297. $297, $300. You're going to get a full year of stock picks. I'm going to give it to you for free. Okay? Here's the only stipulation. People in America and Canada, okay? Maybe the UK, maybe Australia, but that's not ideal. Okay? Predominantly, I'm not going to be a stickler on America or Canada, but it's ideal. And you're trading more than $10,000 or more, okay? You got to have some money in the market that you're trading. If you do a discovery call with us, that's just talking to John, and you complete a call with John talking about our mentorship. That's it. To me, it's worth $300 for you guys to have a talk. You will know about our mentorship and in exchange. If the mentorship is not for you, fine. That's great. I think that it's for everybody. Everybody should go through it. Everybody should go through it. Matter of fact, I should talk to you. I should show you an email I got just today. Anyway, here's the deal. If you go to this page right here, scroll down, you're going to get it free of charge. Put in your name and everything. Tell us what your trading account size is. Apply for the call. And once you have, there's the terms, like $10,000, you're US and Canada, you're going to get no strings attached, okay? Cancel it anytime. It is a subscription, meaning that I'll give you a code. You'll subscribe for the annual thing. You'll get a code. You're going to get it free for 365 days. And you can cancel it anytime. But that's me willing to help you in exchange with you hearing about our mentoring. So there you go. We're going to give this a shot. See how many people are interested in this. I think that you will be. I'm going to show you something. I was not planning to do this. My personal account, I need to blur it out. I got some. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to this one. I'm gonna blur out everything, but I'm a bit shy to say this, like I'm whispering into a microphone here, but what I've accomplished is absolutely unbelievable. This is talking about their mentoring, because I asked these guys, I said, hey, I like to ask, please brag, let us know how you're doing in your trading since you're mentoring. Because since I took the 301 and the 401 with an account that I only trade on average a few times a month, I have almost effortlessly more than doubled my account size in about every 12 months since. Wow. Does this doing this all without dangerous drawdowns and losses is possible when adhering to trading rules, provided that each individual student elaborates on their own life and circumstances. As soon as my account balances reaches a certain amount, I'll be able to retire from my six-figure a year career and just trade. I'll be able to afford me in my life of my dreams, and to be able to be free and available to take care of my family and loved ones without being tied down to working much. I mean, how cool is this? Without working to make anybody else money, with my sweat and brain power. Grok was and is the key to literally making my dreams come true. Holy smokes, I haven't even responded back to you, doctor. I will. I love that. But I had several that's come in, and that's just awesome. Thanks for sharing that. Anyway, thanks for sharing that. So there you have it, guys. Leave me a comment, man. Say hi. Let me know if you're ready for Thanksgiving. I am ready for Thanksgiving. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the little bell to get notified. And we have I'm ready for the holidays. I'm just ready. I'm thankful for everybody. I'm thankful for everything. And I'm just looking forward to it. Our house is decorated for fall. It's very fallish right now in our house, and at some point going into the near future, it'll be very Christmassy here. So anyway, love you guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're from. If you made it to the end, say made it. If you disagree with anything, talk about, have some discussions on there. Talk with one another in the comments. Do that. We're on islands by ourselves. One of the worst things about trading is we're on islands by ourselves. Very few people can talk the language that we talk. Very few people know what we know. So I get it, man. You're out there and you're hungry to connect. Be part of the Grok ecosystem. It's healthy. It's vibrant. We've been around a long, long time, 12 years. And we just kind of do our thing on the side. You don't see all of our ads posted on the TV or on the internet. You don't see us everywhere. If you find us, people who want to find us, they find us. And so we're glad that you're on board. And if you're new, welcome, guys. So we'll catch up with you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.